Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I have a few reveals to show. One unboxing from Cartier, kind of like an unboxing. I'm going to open it, and then I also have a reveal from Chanel. Now this is not an unboxing because I have had this for a few months already, but it's been a little secret because I don't know, I just didn't feel like sharing it until I was ready, and I think I'm ready, so I will definitely have a story time about it. And yeah, this one on Cartier was a little surprise, and it's actually a gift, so I actually haven't seen it, so let's open it together. Yeah, guys, oh my gosh. Chanel. This is definitely before the 2022 mindset, so it probably did drive a little bit of my decisions for the mindset. But yeah, I'm excited. I hope you are too. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kat. I love to do luxury related videos. I love handbags. I love makeup. I think this makeup look has already gone up in the Lux Chit Chat. I'll link it down below. Love skincare as well. So if you enjoy that kind of content, here for just chit chats, unboxings, reviews, I hope you will subscribe. And for everyone else, let's take a look. Before I share with you what I got from Cartier, I am going to share with you a few jewelry pieces that I got from Ana Luisa. So this little portion of the video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. So thank you very, very much to Ana Luisa. I really love their pieces, and I love them so much that one of these pieces, this is my second one. I had to get another one. I've been talking about it so much that I decided I'm gonna do it. So if you haven't bought anything from Ana Luisa, they are a sustainable, environmentally aware company that all their packaging is recyclable. They really put thought on their packaging and products, and really want to be, green, right? You just don't want to be putting things out there that hurts the environment. So love the packaging, and everything is recyclable. Actually, I do use some of these boxes for storage, other things. So I do keep some of them, not everything, because otherwise, there'll be too many boxes in my house. But I got 3 pieces, and I actually got a gift set. Let me show you the gift set first. Oh my gosh, I talk about this so much that I decided that I need the gift set. This is, it comes in this beautiful maroon box. I got the Puffy Heart necklace. This is the Levy necklace. Oh my goodness, this is the one that is my second piece. Let me show you my first piece. So this is the first Levy piece that I got from them a couple of years ago, and I wear it so much that I am actually kind of afraid that I would damage it, because I love it so. It's so cute. You know that Chanel has been coming up with heart shapes, and they just, I don't know, it's just a kind of cute puffy heart necklace. So if you're not into buying that kind of high price point and you love a good little heart shape, this is a really good little heart shape. I got a few of my friends onto it as well, and everyone agrees with me. It is so stinking cute. It's actually substantially solid. It's not like some lightweight pendant that doesn't feel nice. It's got a bit of weight in it, and it just feels good in the hands. So because they had this gift set, I was like, oh my god, puffy heart earrings. Stop! You know what? I'm gonna take out 2 earrings, because I actually have another pair that I want to show you. So I'm gonna take out these 2. Guys, you need this. If you are gonna get something from Ana Luisa, get this set. So Ana Luisa is having a promotion on the site. I'll leave the information right here. You can go there, and right now it's a great time to buy. If you're buying something for a gift, or you're buying something for a future gift, always check out their promotions. I think they make the best promotions, and it's a great way to get an affordable jewelry pieces, fun pieces, just for everyday wearing. So I love this. Let me show you the other piece that I got. This next piece is a necklace, and it's called the Inés necklace. It is recycled sterling silver with 14K gold plated, and I love their necklaces for layering. I have several that I kind of rotate, you know, I like the Isabel necklace. There is the, I think, Sophia necklace as well, if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember names, I kind of remember their look, which has like kind of a little Hamas hand. There's the butterfly, there's a heart shape as well. So dainty, and if you're a person that likes to either, you know, you don't have to stack, but if you like to stack, they are such great stacking pieces. It's so delicate. Isn't that cute? I love this. It's so simple. The heart shape just pops, and then you got this really delicate bar necklace with a bit of cubic zirconia. Isn't that pretty? All right, and the final one is something super sparkly. Okay, so these are the She Said Yes earrings. They are hoop earrings, which are kind of my favorite earrings to wear on an everyday. And they have like a diamond at the front. It's like a engagement ring, but earring styles. Wow, that is really pretty. So thank you to Ana Luisa for sending me these beautiful pieces. Like I said, go and check their website. I will link everything in the description section down below. Let's go with Cartier. I've already taken it out from the paper bag because it's really heavy. I actually popped by Cartier and I checked out a few of their jewelry pieces, played around with a few pieces that I obviously cannot afford, like the Panther ring with full diamonds. I cannot afford that. That was like $60,000. I will not buy something that crazy expensive. It was nice to play around with and just admire in store and dream, but yeah, no, I wouldn't feel comfortable wearing something so expensive, but it was fun. Then I also tried the Panther ring again, which is not the expensive version. I think it's just the plain, and I love. Maybe one day, yeah, delayed gratification. Maybe one day I will maybe get it. So anyway, my essay texted me sometime in during Christmas, and he said that he kept one book for me, or got me one book, and it was like, it's really nice. It's about the jewelry and all the history of it. So, oh my gosh, wow, you know, you pay a lot of money for these books, and this is it. I haven't even seen it. This is the Cartier Dazzling High Jewelry and Precious Objects. Oh my goodness, wow. So it says here, welcome to the world of Iridescent Cartier collection. I'm not sure. A dream landscape where glittering waterfalls cascade like dewdrops over dazzling water. Here, gem hunters, skilled artisans, designers, and master jewelers combine their talents, skills, and expertise in order to offer a glorious firework of display that illuminates a world of enchantment. That's a lot of big words, but okay. In a world of creativity and elan, they have created an ode to joy. They have fashioned a world of boldly statement femininity with all its charm and lyricism, a world where Cartier leads us in a joyous dance, a song of happiness. Oh, I gotta kick out all these writings. It's like so flowery. Wow, it is a freaking heavy book. Like, seriously heavy. So it's got all the gemstones and like history of the gemstones as well. Wow, it's gonna be a really interesting read. Whoa, 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 look at this creation. Jeez, ooh. This is high fashion. This is like the world that I would never I would never even dream of, or even think of, or even know of. It's like a secret world of the ultra rich billionaires that I guess I'll just have to enjoy it via a book. Okay, next. I know you are here for this. Let me show it to you first, and then we'll have a very quick story time about it. Okay, I've already opened it, so let me just enjoy this moment to unbox it, because it's really rare that I do a this kind of Chanel unboxing. It's really rare nowadays. It will probably be even more rare as the time goes by, right? With the prices. So, savoring the moment. Yeah, okay. It's my small classic flap, black gold hardware with caviar leather, and I did it. I bought it. I pulled the trigger and I got it. I've got goosebumps just saying that on camera. I don't even know why. This is not my first rodeo on unboxings, but I think it's because it's kind of a FOMO purchase. At the same time, I just did it. I just bought it and getting it, and then kind of keeping it from all of you a little bit, because I actually got this, let me just check, when did I buy this? I have to look at my receipt. I think it was the day before the last price increase in November. I bought it on, I got it on the 2nd of November, and it was the day before the price increase in Singapore. And I kept it from all of you. Right, let me get into the story time. So around October, towards the end, we have been hearing a lot of the price increases, and I have been having chats and saying, should I do it? Should I just wait it out? And you know, we did a video as well to say this, I'm just gonna bite the bullet and get it probably this year, so 2022. Then when I heard the price increases come on the 3rd of November, I knew it was going to be substantial. And I thought, you know what, if I have already made a decision that I want to buy this to kind of like complete my collection, just get it, I should just buy it, right? So towards the end of October, I was texting my essay. So I had 2 essays. I was texting them, and both of them, of course, no stock, right? No stock, no stock, no stock. And even I had some of you contact me and say, hey, why don't I ask my essay? And thank you so much. It was really, really nice and kind of you. So I thought, okay, if it's meant to be, it's meant to be. Otherwise, I'll just pay the higher price this year. And I already thought there's no way I was getting this back, because, you know, why sell it just before a price increase? They're probably keeping it in the back of the room and holding for the new price. So truly no way. Everybody is either holding on or just putting out 1 or 2 bags, and people are just going crazy because it was so expensive. And price increase again already, right? So on the 1st of November, I sort of gave up, but I tried one more time to text my essay. I said, is there any chance? And it's like, no, there's nothing in store. And I sort of gave up hope, because really, it's just 2 days before a pricing, or less than 48 hours. I was like, no way. Then on the 2nd of November, my essay texted me. I just finished a meeting. It was around 10:30. And the message was, OMG, we have one right now. It just came in. I honestly don't know if that's the truth, but I was so excited, guilty and excited, and I just said, you know what, it's really here for me. So I paid for it. It got delivered to my doorstep because I didn't want to go out, and the bag is perfect. It's like I have good luck with Chanel lately with the micro bag and this bag. When I opened it, every single quilt, every single stitch is perfect. Because for this price point, that bag better be perfect, right? It is nothing out of alignment. It's made in France. The the stamping, the gold is perfect. The button where the Chanel and Paris is it's actually aligned, you know, where sometimes it's not aligned. It's made so well, puffy, and oh my god, it was just like, it took my breath away when I opened it. I was like, wow, this is what a handbag should look like at this price point, because that is a handbag, okay? So that's my little secret. I have been keeping it from all of you, and I have my small bag. I've been using it for a little bit. I think some of you have already seen me when walking around Ayong, walking around Singapore, Malaysia as well. I have been using it secretly and I really enjoy it. So I'm glad I bit the bullet to buy it. If any of you are still thinking of buying it, like, yeah, it's painful. There will be a price point where I feel like it's really not worth getting anymore. But if it's still within your means, yeah, it could be your one and only. Like this is something special. I've used it several times, and I love the sound. I love the little click that it makes. Oh, I'm so happy. So anyway, thank you for sharing my little joy, and I feel so much more like honest now on my channel because I keep talking about the small bag, but I haven't talked about it. So yes, I do have a Chanel Classic Flap Small in my collection now. I am super happy, super blessed to be able to get this bag. I will definitely do a review of it in the coming months, you know, as I use it more, tell you how it fits, tell you know anything about it. There are many videos, but I'll put one out in the coming months. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. Take advantage of their sale. You know, take advantage of any of these items. And if any of you do get this puffy heart, this levy heart, let me know because I am sure you are going to love it. It is such a cute piece. I'm gonna let all of you go now. I'm gonna enjoy my little bag. So everyone, please take care, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!